Good morning everyone. I am Bhuvana.
And I am Kundanika.
We are the students of 9th class from Montessori High School, Vidya, Nagar, Andhra Pradesh.
Indian railway systems is one of the largest networks in the world, crisscrossing more than 1,15,000 kilometers in distance. It is one of the busiest organizations in the world. Around two-thirds of the population utilize railway systems for transportation in India as they are inexpensive. Nowadays, trains are also becoming eco-friendly as we stopped using petrol and diesel to run the engines of the trains. However, passenger safety and reliability are not up to global standards. A recent survey has showed us that more than 70% of train accidents occur due to collisions between two trains. This happens mainly because of miscommunication between the two train authorities. So, if precautions are not taken in early stages, it could lead to heavy loss of life and property. So, we have come up with an innovative project, Robo Rail.
Materials required for our project are ultrasonic sensor. It detects the train on the track. Crystal display screen. It displays the situation in the forms of words. Voltage regulator. It regulates the required voltage to 5 volts. Arduino UNO. It controls whole system. Buzzer. It gives sounds and alerts the driver. LED bulb. It acts as power indicator. GPS. Global Positioning System is used to track the location of the train. Driver IC. It controls the speed and direction of the device. Power supply. It supplies power to the device. Ultrasonic sensor contains two components, transmitter and receiver. Transmitter emits the sound and the receiver encounters the sound traveled from the target. The reflected sound is converted into electrical signals and fed into the Arduino board, which stops the supplying power to the driver IC. Now let us see how it works. Now the Arduino UNO will alert the buzzer and it will also alert the GPS. Now GPS sends the signal in the form of latitudes and longitudes. Here you can see that on crystal display screen it shows another train is on the track.
Here you can clearly see that the location of the GPS shows Montessori School Road.
Now the authorities can know the location of the train and the surroundings and could take necessary actions. If any animals comes on the track, then also the ultrasonic sensor detects it and the train will be stopped.
Our Robo Rail works with the help of GPS, ultrasonic sensor and other advanced equipment, meaning we rely on technology to accurately evaluate the situation and take action in a quick time. Installation of our device is very easy and reliable. Once installed, it does not fail and works efficiently. Our Robo Rail helps in the prevention of collisions between two trains or if any person or animal is present or trapped in the tracks. We know that many tragic events are involved in a train accidents, like loss of many lives and property. What I am trying to say here is, by implementing this project in real time, we can stop these and protect the lives of people.
Advantages of our project are low power consumption, efficient design. We use GPS device which tracks the location of the train and it avoids the accidents on single track.
Finally, I would like to sum up as transportation plays a major role in today's generation. Meanwhile, its safety and sustainability are our major concerns. Indian railway systems are growing rapidly. However, passenger safety and reliability are not up to global standards. So by implementing this project in real time, we can protect the lives of people.
Smart rails, smarter future.
Technology in motion, Robo Rail in action.
Thank you.